In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount countdown on product pages in Shopify Dawn theme. We're keeping this simple by using a Shopify app, so you won't need to touch any code. A countdown timer can create urgency, highlight flash sales, and make your product pages feel more dynamic, especially in the Dawn theme. First, head to the Shopify App Store and choose a countdown timer app. Popular options include Countdownify, Sales Timer, Product Countdown Pro, Kilotech Countdown Timer, and GSC Countdown Timer Bar. When you're deciding, look at reviews, pricing, and whether the app supports product-specific timers and flexible placement on product pages. It's also helpful to confirm that the app mentions compatibility with the Dawn theme and offers a free trial so you can test before committing. Next, install your chosen app. Click Add App from the App Store listing and follow the prompts to approve permissions. If you ever change your mind, you can uninstall from your Shopify admin, so feel free to try a couple to see which interface and features you prefer. Once installed, use the app's dashboard to create your timer. Set the end time for your promotion, pick the timer type, and customize the styling to match your brand and the Dawn theme's clean look. Consider your time zone, whether the countdown should be a fixed end date or recurring, and the message you want to show, like "Sale ends soon." Choose colors with good contrast for readability, and keep the font size large enough to be seen on mobile. Many apps offer templates. Start with one and tweak as needed. Now decide where the timer appears on product pages. Most countdown apps let you enable automatic placement, often just by toggling on product pages. If there's a placement option, choose a spot like under the price or near the Add to Cart button so it's easy to notice without overpowering the page. If the app supports product-specific timers, select the products or collections that should display it. Finally, save and test. Open a product page in a new tab, refresh, and confirm the timer appears and counts down correctly. Check on both desktop and mobile. Verify that it doesn't overlap other elements, and preview a few different products. If something looks off, adjust spacing, colors, or placement in the app's settings. When you're happy with it, you're done. Your Dawn product pages now have a clear, compelling countdown that supports your discounts and promotions.